Hey guys, so I am here in Ulta and I am about to get some products to do my hair today. So I'm trying to get the silk press effect, so just wanted to see what products they have available. We're doing a part 2 of the Babybliss. I'm gonna use the flat iron today. Sweet potato pie. The conditioner for the sweet potato pie. Got the leave-in conditioner. I might try this one. Got the extra creamy hair cream. Oh, these are the hair gummies. Got the scalp oil. Got the strength hair oil. What I'm going to be showing you guys later on. This is the one I have right here. Line here in Ulta. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started washing my hair. I'm using the shampoo first. I'm gonna go ahead and wet my hair in the kitchen and let's go.
Hey, what are you doing?
Hair sectioned into 4 sections, combed it out with the conditioner on it. So I'm just gonna put it on for about 5 to 10 minutes. So I just got done rinsing my hair out with the conditioner after I actually let it sit for about 15 minutes. So it came out nice and soft. And now I am in the refrigerator. Why am I in the refrigerator? Well, because this said it needed to be cool before applying. It's supposed to be put on cool, and it says to help to close up the cuticles. You put it into 4 different sections, and as you can see, I'm gonna bring it back down. It still is detangled fairly good. So overall, with the whole line of the products of the shampoo and the conditioner, I do like it. Like I said, it did detangle my hair. Hopefully it'll control the frizz as well. We'll see that here in a moment. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this Stay Straight serum. I'm just gonna put a little bit throughout the hair. Blow drying, I don't know if I'm gonna use it on my whole head because I don't want my hair to feel heavy. So with this Babyliss Pro comb brush, it goes up to 400. It's going up to 400. This one right here is a no for me. It's too heavy. All right, so now I'm gonna use the rest of this on the other 3 sections of my hair. So look who we have over here doing hair as well. What you got, Michaela? Use a little bit more of this anti-frizz stuff. I said maybe I put too much, so I did use those products on my hair, which it is very hairy. So as far as the products, I would say I would give them maybe an 8 as far as the shampoo and conditioner. And I feel like I need to wash my hair. All right, guys, so here's the finished product. I went the Babyliss Pro Nano Titanium Flat Iron, 10 out of 10. All the other products. This one I definitely would try again by itself because it does have humidity protection. Got my hair straightened, but I don't like it's too heavy.
She look good. She look good to me.
Yeah.
Don't matter.
All right, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and we will see you guys in the next one. Bye.